Extreme weather alert issued 1530 CDT.
It's been said that the wise pray not for safety from danger, but for deliverance from fear. We don't fear the storm, the hail, the floods, or the blizzards. The only thing we truly fear is not being there when it matters. Not being there for our neighbors when they need us most. That's why we volunteer, because our neighbors, our family, that's why we walk toward danger instead of away from it.
A travel advisory has been issued for Sawtooth Creek. Flash floods imminent. Water rising fast. Heavy winds and rain expected for the next 12 hours.
We prepare for the worst, so when the time comes, we can be at our best.
Volunteer search and rescue, please respond to hikers in distress on Sawtooth Ridge Trail.
Because we take care of our own. That's who we are, and why we do what we do.
This is Rescue 1 en route. ETA 15 minutes.